dismissed by the Philippine National Police
That is correct, Mr. Chair.
and the pleb?
Correct, sir.
Kasi ito po yung mga nag-iimbestiga sa kapulisan eh. So, it does not include those dismissed by the plebs and the different dismissing authorities of the Philippine National Police.
That's correct, sir.
So if we get that, or we get these numbers, mas malakas siguro. Ano po?
Yes, sir.
But anyway, since ako pa lang acting chairman, pwede bang matanong kina Colonel Guevara at saka Major Quejan, anong kaso ang sinasabi ninyo na filed in court na?
Sa ombudsman po, sir. Both criminal and administrative, sir.
Who filed the cases?
Same complainant with this na for girl Chinese, sir.
Yung for Chinese, pero hindi yung kuan, subject of the search warrant.
Yung apat na babae po, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
pero hindi ang nag-file, yung sinubject nyo sa search warrant, si Boss Lin, kung tawagin ng driver siya, at saka bodyguard, saka yung si Madam Morales.
Hindi ko pa na-receive kasi, sir. It was informed by my lawyer. Hindi ko lang masyadong alam yung detalye, sir.
So there's a case now, and may I know the cases filed against you?
As far as I can remember, sir, it was robbery, illegal detention, same as to what is written in the resolution, sir, House resolution.
House resolution.
Yes, sir. That you filed, sir.
Yeah. May I ask the Philippine National Police if they can direct, nandito ba yung DIDM? Yes. Can you direct the CIDG to investigate the aspect of robbery extortion?
Yes, sir.
Because I do not know if you will agree with me that when the authorities file this case, there's no need for any complainant. Kasi sa arbitrary detention, kailangan may complainant. Unlawful arrest, kailangan may complainant. Yung grave coercion, kailangan may complainant because of the penalty. Now, in robbery extortion, there's a penalty na more than 6 years. And therefore, the authorities can file a complaint without any complainant. Would you agree with me?
Yes, sir. We will.
If you have doubts, you consult your legal
Yes, sir.
service in the
Yes, sir.
Philippine National Police. But as far as this representation is concerned, kung po pwede lang, you direct the CIDG na imbestigahan yung robbery extortion.
We will do that, sir. As soon as possible
Kasi
time.
yung nagreklamo naman sa kanila ay yung 4 na babae for robbery extortion. Pero may robbery extortion din doon sa Chinese na subject of the search warrant.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. We will do that, sir.
And can you please comply to this committee
Yes, sir.
of your actions taken
Yes, sir.
dito sa nangyari? No.
Reminding Congressman Acop that you have only 1 minute
Yeah. Thank you.
kasi 3:00 na po at meron pa tayong session.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Nakita po naman natin doon sa 3 hearing na ito na kagaya ng inadmit ni Colonel Guevara, hindi po intention talaga na hulihin yung baril ng inchik. Alam niyo po kung bakit hindi ako naniniwala may baril ang inchik? Kasi pag may baril sila, ibig sabihin they are susceptible to arrest. Kaya iwasan nila yung magkaroon ng baril Second, kung may baril talaga yung police, bakit doon sa search warrant, sa report, ibang baril yung sinabi ng mga deponent, ibang baril yung nakuha. At alam na natin yung dahilan kasi plinanting yung baril. pinag-isipan na plantingan ng baril. Why? Kasi hindi sila sigurado kung maaring, kagaya ng sabi ni Madam Morales, wala talagang baril. Wala siya nakikita. Siya ang house help. Wala siya nakikita eh. Yung driver, wala rin siya nakikitang baril na dala-dala o nakikita dun sa kwarto eh. Except for the bodyguard. Siya lang nagsabi na may Bushmaster at saka may pistol. Pero wala naman nakuhang Bushmaster. Nakita naman natin na prove dito sa ating investigasyon doon sa pagtatanong ni Honorable Paduano na planting. Kompleto. Supported by pieces of evidence. Kaya nabuo yung istorya. In-erase yung serial number ng baril ni Rainier ba? Michael. Hindi naman natin nalaman kung kanino galing yung isang baril na plinanting. So dito, kitang-kita natin yung criminal mind ng ating kapulisan. Yun ang kwan doon. So, may I request, Mr. Chair, that the investigating body, the RD of NCRPO and the CIDG to give us an update in so far as the cases filed are concerned. Kasi dapat, as far as this representation is concerned, mas grabe itong ginawa nila dun sa mga pinadismiss natin, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So thank you so much, Congressman Acop. So General Hurtates, can you give us an update of the